The world is experiencing an unprecedented demographic shift. The extraordinary growth in our older adult population over the next 20 years, combined with an increase in chronic disease and Alzheimer's, longer lifespans, and smaller families who are living apart, has resulted in challenges we are already experiencing. Specifically, a gap in the number of caregivers available and an increased number of safety and health risk occurrences. Now imagine older adults enjoying their senior years in the comfort of their homes or in a vibrant retirement community, equipped with Vericare, a smart care platform designed and built to support seniors in living healthier and safer lives. Vericare also enables caregivers in providing better, proactive, and personalized care for their loved ones. With Vericare, at the slightest sign of something indicating a senior may not be their normal self, like disruptive sleep, increased levels of inactivity, or changes in regular behavior, the system will automatically alert caregivers of these changes so that action can be taken before a serious medical issue arises. So how does Vericare work? The Vericare platform uses passive sensors installed at various locations within the home to collect activity data. Motion sensors work in the background and do not require any involvement from the user. The system tracks activities of daily living and will learn one's unique behavior, such as typical sleep, activity patterns, and social interactions. The data collected is used to build an activity and behavior profile unique to an individual. Using proprietary algorithm and pattern recognition technology, Vericare is able to identify changes to one's unique activity and behavior profile. With its profiling and predictive capabilities, Vericare is able to identify a risk of a UTI or onset of illness. The system also detects safety risks such as a potential fall, wandering, or no heartbeat detection while in bed. Alerts will be sent to caregivers so that, in an emergency, no time is lost, as every minute counts. Vericare is available for seniors who choose to live at home and whose caregivers would like to have the peace of mind it brings. Alerts and reports will be sent to their smartphones, and information can be managed and viewed using the Vericare app. This platform is also available for seniors living in a retirement community. Living providers now have at their fingertips the safety and wellness status of all their residents through the Vericare dashboard. The notification alerts ensure caregivers are always aware of any potential safety or medical risks of residents. With the Vericare continuously attentive system, seniors report feeling safer. Seniors and their caregivers also report feeling more connected. Vericare's data-rich platform and predictive capabilities enables living providers to offer their residents proactive, personalized care. In doing so, extending their residents' ability to live a healthy life for longer. Vericare, offering caregivers peace of mind and enabling seniors to live a healthier, longer life.